Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Two-factor authentication blocks unauthorized logins by requiring a second verification step. This reduces the risk of account takeover for your business manager. Enable 2FA to protect business assets, ad accounts, and page admin access. A compromised password alone cannot bypass two-factor authentication with a second code. You can use an authenticator app or SMS codes as the second factor. Authenticator apps are recommended for stronger security and fewer SIM risks. Follow the steps in Business Manager to set up and enforce. Go to Business Settings and select Security Center to start 2FA setup. Click the option labeled Required Two-Factor Authentication for people who access this business. Choose whether to require 2FA for everyone or only admins and partners. Follow prompts to add phone numbers or link an authenticator app to individual accounts. Ask each team member to complete their own setup within 14 days or as your policy specifies. Save changes and check the Security Center for any pending or non-compliant users. Set enforcement level to everyone, admins, or custom to match your policy. Pick the strictest setting your organization can reasonably support, then communicate the deadline. Monitor compliance in Security Center and remind users who are pending or non-compliant before the deadline. Encourage users to store recovery codes and link a backup authenticator or phone number. Use recovery codes and admin-approved methods to regain access if a user loses their device. Regularly audit 2FA status and rotate admin permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.